legacy. Mr. Speaker, the facility of the University of Ghana Sports Stadium and other auxiliary facilities at Legon will be transferred to the management of the university, but the Borteyman Sports Complex is currently being managed by the National Sports Authority under the Ministry of Youth and Sports in the interim. However, the ministry has received a proposal from the private sector partnership to manage the facility. The University for Sports for Development, as we announced before the construction of the Borteyman facility and the commencement of the games, government intends to convert the Borteyman Sports Complex to University for Sports for Development for the long-term sustainability of this ultra-modern facility. The university will not only serve Ghana but also the sub-region. In this regard, a cabinet memo has been prepared and it is on its way to cabinet for approval. Once it is approved, Mr. Speaker, I will return to this August House for the approval of the new University for Sports for Development. Maintenance in the meantime to ensure the sustainability of the facility. A local technical team has been trained on the operationalization of the equipment installed at the various facilities, and the equipment manual have been transferred to a local technical team to guide them on the operations and maintenance of the facilities. Mr. Speaker, Ghana has the destination choice for international events. The facility at Borteyman, especially the aquatic center, is one of its kind in the whole of Africa. This has positioned Ghana as a preferred destination to host and organize international competitions and tournaments. We have already received requests from several international sports bodies seeking to host international sports events in Ghana.